look at how to install Nexus on what? On a Red Hat server. So again, these are the minimum system requirements. Okay, that needs to be in place. I know network can be so troublesome sometimes. Okay. All right. So first, want to first of all update the system. Sudo what? Sudo yum update. Hit enter like that. Okay. So you see that when you run yum update on the Red Hat server, you get a different kind of message. Why? Because Red Hat server is not totally free, right? It's not as free as Ubuntu. All right. So we wait for the system to run its full course. Its full course. Okay. Wait for it to go through. Okay, it's almost done. Now we can what? We can become root by running this command. Sudo what? Oops, sorry. Okay. Sudo su that. Now you are root. Of course, it says what? We should add a user called Nexus, okay? Now that I'm root, do I still need to run sudo to add a user? The answer is no. Why? Because I am already the admin. So now we can what? We can run user at, okay, Nexus. Okay, ls home. We have Nexus as a user. Now what? We're going to copy this command exactly the way it should be copied. And then we're going to what? Add Nexus to sudo was file. That's done. Now, step number 4 says what? We should switch to Nexus. So sudo su, okay, Nexus. Okay. Sudo su Nexus. And now we can what? Set it into OPT. And we can install Java, Git, and unzip. So what? We can install all in one command. Sudo what? Sudo, okay, sudo yum install what? Install unzip, okay, and git. Okay, I think just do the unzip part of it. Yes, that's done. Again, what? Sudo yum install git. There we go. And you can see it's installing. Now it is successfully installed. The next package is to install Java. Okay. Need to install Java. I think I'm missing. Okay, there we go. See that? We have what? We have sudo what? Sudo yum install Java. Okay. And then this is going to work. We have that. We are going to install Java now. So Java is now installed. Of course, we can also install sudo what? Yum install zip. There we go. So you can see that's done. Now it says what? Step number 8. Let us now download the Nexus application itself. By the way, let me see if I can increase the font size here. Okay, I think it's okay now, right? So we're gonna know what we can copy this. Okay, move on to number 8. Okay. Oops. Sudo. Okay, that's what. Install sudo what? Yum install wget. Okay, like that. Yes, there we go. So now run this. So the wget command, wget, is used to download packages from the internet. So now if you run ls here, what do you see? We see 2 packages that have been downloaded. and all of them are in the .gz extension. So now we are going to extract the package. We can what? We can run, okay, sudo tar to extract z x vf, okay, and that. Now if you run ls now, what do you see? See that what? We've been able to extract our packages. So now let's rename what? The package to Nexus. So of course we can do sudo move, okay, opt what? Nexus, okay, like that, into what? Into opt, let's call it Nexus, the move command, done. So now let's what? Let's change some permissions. So to be accurate, I can copy all of these and we can just do a control V here. There we go. That's done. And number 5 says what? Let's do sudo vi into opt nexus, okay? And we have bin what? Nexus.rc. Good. So in this file, you see how this line is commented. So line number 1 is what? Is commented. We are going to remove that comment. So press I to insert mode, remove the comment, and of course, okay, type Nexus in here. Save and quit. There we go. So now we can run number 13. Okay, and let's paste it here. There we go. Now let's what? Now let us run, okay, let's enable the system. So I can what? I can copy everything here, okay, and just run. There we go. Okay, you can see now my what? Our Nexus is active. Run Q, get out of there, and that's what? No, you don't have to memorize it. Even AI can help you. Okay, that you don't have to. You never have to. I'll tell you what you memorize. Okay. So now, if what? If you run sudo what? System CTL. Okay. Start Nexus. Oops. System. Okay. Now we can what? We can check status. Okay. Status. See that? And of course, our Nexus is active. So now, if we go back here, oh, by the way, okay, first what? Let's go back and look at the public IP address of our Nexus server. Let's press Q here and let's go look for what the public IP address. I think it's this one. No, it's not that one. Oops. Let's see if we can run a curl if config.co. Oops. If config. Okay. So now let's go back to our system, and what we are going to go see. Oh, let's come back here. I'm looking for AWS. Okay, there we go. Okay, good. See that? Again, back to instances. Click here. Okay, and now what? We can open here. Control V. Now what? 8081 is a port, and there we go. See that? So what? This is our Nexus application. Okay, our Nexus application. But now let us see how to log in. Excellent. So when you get to this point, okay, do you see it says what? It says your admin password is located where? In this location. So what? You copy this and go back to your server, close this, and that's what? Okay, perfect. What command do we run in Linux to display the content of a file? What command? If I want to see the content of the admin password, what command should I run? Or what command will I run? So let's come back here. We can what? And run cat. Okay, when you cat, let's minimize this. Then what? This is the password. Yeah, what? Your initial admin password is this. Copy. Again. Oops. AWS. Okay. So now you can what? You can put admin, passwords, and then sign in. See that? There we go. Got it. You can just go next. My new password, I put what? My new password is that. Okay. Again, next. Okay. Finished. So what? So this is my Nexus environment. Okay. So what? This becomes our Nexus environment. What we have successfully installed Nexus. So now we can look at the admin feature here, administration, and where you can see all of the features of Nexus, like what? Like users. No, we can create users, we can assign password, we can create roles and map permissions to the roles, right? Privileges here, security, repositories, and or whatnot. So what? This is how we install and configure Nexus. So now I have Nexus here, But now, how are we going to then use this next? That's what. Let's stop this recording. And again, record another video.